Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close a HealthEquity account. If you are switching jobs, moving providers, or no longer need your account, this video is for you. Before closing your account, make sure use or move your remaining balance. Download statements and receipts. Know your account type: HSA, FSA, or HRA. Close link rule depends on the type amount. If you have HSA, you usually have two options: transfer your HSA to another provider, reimburse yourself for eligible medical expense. HSA are portable, so many people transfer instead of closing. If you have an FSA or HRA, these are employed on. Your account may automatically close when your employee ends, and unusual fund may be forfeited depending on plan rule. Health equity usually requires you have to contact support to close your account. Log into your account, go to the help center or support, choose contact support, request amount close or HSA transfer. They will guide you through the final step. Once proceed, ask for written confirmation that your account is closed or transferred. Keep this for your records. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.